Legal expert Abigail Ngobin says the announcement of a trial date in the case of 5 men accused of killing rapper Kiernan aka Forbes and his friend Tebelo Tibbs Motsoane will depend on the defense's readiness. The 5 accused appeared today in the High Court sitting in Durban for a pretrial conference. Forbes and Motsoane were shot and killed outside a restaurant on Durban's Florida Road in 2023. The state served the indictment when the case was moved to the High Court in February. Ngobin says the court is waiting for confirmation from the defense on whether they have received sufficient documentation to prepare for trial. It took police just over a year to announce progress in the investigation of the assassinations on Durban's Florida Road in 2023. Rapper Kiernan aka Forbes and celebrity chef Tebelo Motsoane died on the pavement, moments after sharing a friendly embrace. 5 of the 7 accused in this murder trial are expected in the dock for a pretrial conference. In 2024, 5 of the suspects spent almost 3 months fighting for bail. Lindo Kual Mkwanatsi, Lindaning Demand, Eddie Maiza, Mziwathemba Gwabini, and Lindo Kual Demand were unsuccessful. Gwabini and Lindo Kual Demand tried again in January this year, but Magistrate Vincent Hlachweo shot down their attempts, saying there were no new facts. This came after a failed High Court bid in 2024. You remember that the last time they were given an indictment and they were also given comprehensive documents for them to formulate the defense, and this is in line with the Constitution, Section 35, that whoever is charged must be given comprehensive information for them to formulate a proper defense, said Ngobin. She added, so what we are expecting from both is for the defense to say that what they were given is enough, and if it's not enough to formulate the defense, they will have to request what we call further particulars. That is when the matter can proceed in terms of preparing for trial until it is certified trial-ready. Ngobin also commented on the 2 additional suspects still in custody in Eswatini. Today we were here and waiting for the Supreme Court of Eswatini to hear the arguments of the defense on the appeal under the grounds that they feel that the court did not conduct the proceedings properly in terms of the ST Constitution, she said. Ngobin noted that if the court in Eswatini grants the appeal, the extradition process could be delayed. However, she clarified that this would not stop the Durban trial from proceeding. In the event that the appeal has been granted, we may see this matter in the Durban matter proceeding without the 2. So we can have the first witness here by the court, and we will see if these are the ones in Eswatini tried separately, she said. AKA Tibbs murder trial, hearing of 5 suspects' resumes Thursday.